Imagine wearing a $50 smartwatch that could actually save your life. Not just tracking steps or calories, but detecting irregular heart rhythms with medical-style precision. Sounds impossible at this price, right? Well, Rollme just launched something that might make you rethink what a budget smartwatch can really do. In the next few minutes, you'll see why this isn't just another cheap fitness watch. There's one feature hidden inside the Hero T5 that could make it stand out in a crowded market. And it's something even premium smartwatches struggle to deliver. The Rollme Hero T5 looks like a premium watch right out of the box. It's got a 1.43-inch AMOLED display, housed in a full metal frame, complete with a rotating crown and even a dedicated ECG button. It's built to last too, with IP68 water and dust resistance, so workouts, rain, or even accidental splashes won't be a problem. But it's not just about looks. Rollme claims the Hero T5's ECG sensor delivers up to 95% accuracy in detecting irregular heart rhythms, something usually reserved for higher-priced wearables. And they didn't stop there. This watch comes with what they call Intelligent Physical Examination Mode, combining multiple sensors to measure heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure, stress, body temperature, sleep quality, body composition, and heart rate variability. And yes, it's also a fitness companion. From running to cycling, the Hero T5 gives real-time feedback across multiple workout modes. Add a 450 mAh battery that delivers up to 30 days of standby time, and you've got a watch that doesn't just work hard, it lasts. Of course, the Hero T5 keeps everyday essentials too. Bluetooth calling with a built-in mic and speaker, AI voice assistant, notifications, music controls, and customizable watch faces. At launch, it comes in black or silver with silicone straps, plus a promotional bundle that includes leather and stainless steel straps. So, what's the hidden feature I promised? It's this. Rollme isn't positioning the Hero T5 as just a smartwatch. It's positioning it as an affordable personal health tool. For just $49.99, you're not only getting a stylish smartwatch, but also the kind of advanced wellness tracking that could help you understand your body better, and maybe even catch problems early. The Hero T5 is available right now through Rollme's official store. If you've ever thought advanced health tech was out of reach, this might be the watch that proves you wrong. What do you think? Does this $50 smartwatch actually sound too good to be true? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech.